Most breweries use a steam-fired kettle, which uses steam jackets in the kettle to boil the wort. This steam is delivered under pressure by an external boiler, and it's also seen as reusable energy. The main challenge that end users face in these type of applications is that they require accurate control of the steam to ensure that the brewery process is going smoothly. The advantage of using a V-cone flow meter in these types of applications is that the end user can count on the measurement of plus or minus 0.5% accuracy, in addition to maintaining the accuracy for over 25 years. Other advantages include not requiring any kind of maintenance, recalibration, and the flow meter not having any kind of moving parts. So it ensures that the brewery process is smooth and consistent and never have to have any kind of shutdown or a pause to this process.